ashen. Very pale because someone is sick or shocked. The sick man had an ashen face. His face turned ashen after the bad news. Cuddle. To hold someone close in a loving and gentle way. She gave her teddy bear a big cuddle. The baby loves to cuddle with her mom. Wrap. To cover something with cloth, paper, or another material. I will wrap the gift in colorful paper. He wrapped a blanket around him to stay warm. Grimy. Very dirty or covered in dirt or dust. I need to clean my grimy shirt. His hands were grimy after working in the garden. Imbecile. A rude word used to call someone foolish. He acted like an imbecile during the test. It's not nice to call someone an imbecile. Demolish. To destroy something, usually a building. They will demolish the old house. The workers will demolish the wall. Postpone. To delay something or to do it later than planned. My flight was postponed due to bad weather. We will postpone the meeting until tomorrow. Immaculate. Very clean and neat. Her room is always immaculate. He wore an immaculate white shirt. Amiable. Friendly and kind. She is an amiable girl. The teacher was amiable and helpful. Vacant. Empty or not being used. The seat is vacant. You can sit here. We saw a vacant home on the street.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!